Having credit problems? R&R Financial can help. R&R Financial is an effective, hassle-free, and affordable credit repair service in Chicago. Our experienced team of credit repair experts can work together to repair your good credit. We've helped hundreds of clients restore their good credit scores. Having good credit means getting approved for loans and getting lower interest rates. It also means being prepared for an emergency. And we understand unforeseen events happen, and we believe everyone deserves a second chance. Start repairing your credit today with the experts who care. Call R&R Financial today, 708-680-7600.